Yo, what's up, friends? My name is Shilpa, and today I'm going to tell how to make a bounce ball game by coding. So let's begin. First, you have to take one when run, then when right arrow pressed, then when ball hits paddle, then when ball misses paddle, then when ball hits ball, then when ball in the goal, then you have to take when left arrow pressed. So first we talk about when right arrow. So in when right arrow you have to take move right and left. You have to take move left, and then you have to take in when ball hits wall. Play crush sound or as your wish sound. So bounce ball, then when ball in the goal, so play win point sound, score point, launch new ball. You can also take your sound in play win point sound. So then you have to take when ball hits paddle, so when ball hits paddle, bounce, then play hit sound, then when ball misses paddle, play lose point sound, then score opponent point, then launch new ball. Then in when run you have to take launch new ball, then set fast paddle speed or your as your wish, then set very fast and set random paddle. So I can play and show you. Once again, set once again the blocks. Once again, yeah, then retro. Yeah, so you can do this also. The right arrow, yes, it's working, but I have to show that the goal is the black one, the upper side black one. Yes, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Yes, I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care everyone, and bye bye everyone.